In this video, we're going to learn how to make our object look like it's made from a particular material. So we click A on the keyboard and the appearance window opens. Here it is. And I know I want mine made from wood, so I'm just going to tap wood into here. And then below we've got all these different types of woods that appear. It's pine material that we're going to be using to make this project. So all we need to do is to get it, we don't click the word, we click the image and drag it across and just put it on our objects. And then the objects are now fully made of that material. If you come across this little arrow, that means you have to download it to your computer. It's not pre-downloaded. I want to show you one more thing. I'm just going to put paint in and I'm going to choose, say, red. But I don't want to apply it to the whole object. I only want to put it in certain places. So I'm going to choose faces rather than bodies. And I'm going to choose the red and drag it and put it on the inside of this shape. So here, if I get it right, I've got it on the inside here. I'm not able just to click on the other inside, so let's zoom in. Yes, there we are. So I can click here and I can put it on these faces as well. And then you're seeing that just these areas will go red. So let's try a different color. Let's try, blue. And again, faces. Then let's just put that. Oh, sorry, red isn't, that blue isn't downloaded. I've got the arrow there. Let's try silver maybe. Yes, and you can see how that surface is now gone silver. Oh, let's try a nice green. Just put that on the inside there. Yeah, so I've made that inside surface go green. And again, you can try that there. So I could make that surface go green. And if, say, I wanted to make this surface red, I could do that as well. So we can go around and make different surfaces, different colors. So depending if you want it to be a particular material infusion or a particular color, you can change it just this simply with the appearance button, which is just A on the keyboard to get to that.